The goals of the liberal education program are met by a set of core requirements that are contained in a framework of 4 categories. The selection of these 4 categories is a reflection of what we value most here at Whittier College. The first is community. The transformative experience begins in learning communities that introduce the idea of building connections across disciplines, as well as the importance of interdisciplinary approaches to understanding the world. You do this right away in your first semester at Whittier College by taking your INTD 90 or INTD 100 writing seminar combined with INTD 101, your Whittier College experience. The second is communication. Students learn to communicate understanding using different sets of symbols. Third, cultural perspectives. Students gain cultural perspective by exploring different cultures. And fourth, connections. Students again connect as a community in the context of interdisciplinary courses.